I thought to myself, it's actually better. It's better for you to endure this without me, because it's kind of like a reminder that after November, it's going to be like that. And it's not to be afraid, or not for you to be afraid of or grow anxious about. It's something to be excited about, because you're going to venture into this all by yourself. And right now, you may not feel like you're equipped for it. It's okay. You will be. But ICT, we've lost a lot of April. It's okay. It's okay. You've learned a valuable lesson, because I practiced what I preached. I did exactly what I teach and taught you in these lessons, in those lectures, and those core content lessons that are on my mentorship videos on my YouTube channel. My long-term older students know that these times can be wearing. They can wear you down, grind you down into bits. And if you're a new trader or a developing trader, these things can be major barriers to development, or even willingness to stay with it. So I allowed for that to happen, because I could have very easily been speaking to you through my Bose headset while I was driving, hands-free, completely legal in every state. But I went to South Carolina, and I spent a day and a half. And I thought to myself, yeah, let's just go down to Florida. And while I was driving down to Florida, I got to thinking, I'm quite certain that many of you, not all of you, but many of you, were probably thinking to yourself, why does it feel so much harder right now? Like, why does it feel like I can't find a setup that makes sense? Or why is the setups that I'm trying to get into, why are they not performing for me? What's different about this environment? Or what's different about the algorithm? Did it change? Did something happen? Did too many people learn it now? No. There's sometimes the market will go into periods where it just simply has to stay put, has to stay basically sideways. And when it does that, when it's in no immediate hurry to get anywhere, it's just going to grind sideways. Now, it's not going to draw a horizontal line. It's going to move and gyrate a little bit here, a little bit there. You'll see fluctuations during the times of the day that we look for, but they just won't be as clean. They won't be so trustworthy. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Now, there's times where I can see setups in this sloppiness and still ferret out a move here and there. They won't be the 25 handle, 30 handle, 50 handle runs that you've seen me do, and they won't be always a 20 handle run. In fact, recently, even 10 handle runs have been not as frequent. Now, right away, I know some of you that are trading, you'll bring out your report card that you've been doing while I was gone, say, but look at this ICT. You're being too hard on yourself. The model speaks, the algorithm's still working. I did this, I did that. That's fine. That's your trade. That's your setup. I'm speaking to the individuals that didn't do it, that need the encouragement, that this need to be recentered and recalibrated, because 1 or 2 days of not being able to find your footing, that's reasonable for a new trader. They think that's something that's within the realm of permissible. But a new trader, a new developing trader, they can't come to terms with the idea that a trading model or an approach to trading or a mindset about price action should not be 2 weeks, if not longer. There should be trades taken. Someone must be pushing a button somewhere.